In a Fox 23 investigation, we've been telling you since 2020, because of the federal McGirt Supreme Court decision, criminal cases have been getting moved from local counties in Oklahoma to tribal law enforcement. Tulsa's investigative reporter, Janna went to the Muscogee Nation to find out, 4 years since that decision, the impact it's had on the nation and the major changes happening because of it.
Peggy McGuire's been missing since 2015, and it turned into a cold case. She disappeared in McIntosh County after dropping her son off at school. One of the few pieces of evidence is this surveillance video taken outside of a bar in Eufaula. It shows someone driving Peggy's truck pull in and park just before 6 a.m. The video shows the driver getting out and walking away. That's the last solid clue in the case. After the federal McGirt decision in 2020, the investigation was moved from the county to Muscogee Nation's Light Horse Police Department. Here's what Press Secretary Jason Salzman told Fox 23 in 2021.
This community was shocked to its core and shaken to its core 5 years ago when Peggy McGuire went missing. And we still want justice for Peggy. We still want resolution to that.
Peggy's case is one of many the Light Horse Police Department suddenly found themselves needing to investigate.
At the snap of a finger. It wasn't, hey, get everything ready and you have a year and to build and everything like that. It's no, now. And there were bad actors. There were people out there saying, oh, we're just going to throw everything to Light Horse. You asked for it, here you go. Here's a glut of cases, good luck.
Who do you mean when you say bad actors?
I would just say people that would like to see us fail. Police officers in neighboring towns that refuse to cross-deputize with us. We had a police officer on Facebook saying, just send a bunch of BS cases to Light Horse, good luck with that, you know. And that was unfortunate because we're really trying. But we also had very much higher in number agencies going, hey, we're here to help, we're here to work with you.
I understand why you would get a case right now, but you're talking about cases that are 5, 10.
Oh, we're getting the backlog cases too. A lot of places are cleaning out their cases that they have cold cases.
Is it all of them?
I would say that if they're going through their cases and they find that a case is involving a native and they didn't know that they still had it on their books, then it's coming to us.
Whether it's the victim or the accused, if a person involved is native, it's coming to the tribe.
It's our reservation, so it's our jurisdiction, but it doesn't matter if they're a Creek citizen, a Choctaw citizen, Cherokee, whatever. If they are native, it's coming to our courts or the federal courts.
I'm sure they came in a lot at first. Are cases still coming in droves?
Sure, yeah, we've got a lot of cases that are coming in.
The Muscogee Nations had to make big moves because of it. Logistically, what has that done to you?
Well, logistically, it's just changed us overnight as far as needing to go from manageable to what we had at that time to incredible expansion.
Before the McGirt decision, Muscogee Nation had 30 Light Horse police officers. Now they've had to more than quadruple that number to 125 officers. And same thing for the number of prosecutors, from 8 now up to 35. With that growth, they need more buildings, too. So they have big plans that cost millions. Look at this new court building and a new Light Horse Police Department they're building.
We are expanding. We're building. We've grown by fourfold, both in Light Horse and in our Attorney General's office and in prosecutors. We're meeting this moment.
Jason says it all comes back to keeping people safe.
It means a lot to us that the people on our reservation know that they're safe. They know that the Muscogee Nation cares deeply about our streets and our homes and our families out there.
In Okmulgee, covering news that matters. Janna Clark, Fox 23 News.
Right now, the Muscogee Nation is also building a 4-story Citizens Services building. It will cost $75 million and should be finished in the fall of 2025.
Do you have a tip or issue that you think Janna Clark should investigate? Let us know. Email Fox23 Investigates at fox23.com or call 918-388-5354 or search Fox 23 Janna Clark on Facebook.